And now here's the last part. Let's see. Average running distances for January from SpongeBob's friends in Bikini Bottom are shown below. Okay, we got Patrick. He ran some. Let's see. SpongeBob ran more than Sandy or Patrick. Squidward ran a bunch. Let's see. Put the distances ran in order from least to greatest. But that's not all. There's so much more. Write the furthest total distance in word form and expanded form. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Who ran the greatest? 1, 1. 3/10, 3/10. 500ths, 500ths. Oh, this person ran, Squidward ran 3,000ths more than SpongeBob ran, because SpongeBob ran no thousandths. So the greatest is going to be Squidward. Okay, the second greatest is going to be SpongeBob. Then let's look. Patrick ran 8/10 of a meter. It's not very far. Sandy ran 8/10 of a meter too. These are very small distances. 7/10 of a meter, or sorry, 7/100ths of a meter is bigger. So Patrick. Then the least would be Sandy. Good old Sandy cheeks. Well, have I put the furthest distance in word form and expanded form? No. So let me do that. 1 plus 3/10 plus 500ths plus 3,000ths. And let's see, it would be 1 and 353,000ths of a meter. Round each of the distances to the nearest tenth. So now we're taking them and we're rounding here. I'm going to use the rounding rhyme. Find my place, look right next door, 5 or greater. Yep, add one more. 4 or less, number stays the same. Numbers behind zeros, your name. Patrick. Again, I find my place, I look right next door, 5 or greater. Yep, add one more. 1 more to 8 is 9. Let's see. SpongeBob. Let's see. Oh, 1 and 35 is about how much? Find my place, look right next door, 5 or greater. Yep, I'm going to add one more. 4 or less, number stays the same. Numbers behind zeros, your name. Okay, and then lastly we have Squidward himself. I find my place, it's the 10th place, look right next door. Yep, 5 or greater. Add one more. Okay, so when we round, both Squidward and SpongeBob have the same as Sandy and Patrick. Or sorry, Sandy and Patrick have the same as each other, and Squidward and SpongeBob have the same rounded distance. Imagine that SpongeBob continued running for 10 more months at the same average pace. How far would he have gone in 10 months? So SpongeBob goes every month times 10 months. He'll have traveled. He will have traveled such a small distance, actually. 13.5 meters. Write an equation using an exponent that would express the 10 months of running. Well, let's see. 1 and 3. Every month is the same. 1 and 35 hundredths of a meter times 10 to the what power? 10 to the first power, because it's just 10, equals explain how the digits have shifted. The digits have shifted over one place to the left because they are 10 times larger now. Whew.